Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem smallest string with a given numeric value. So the numeric value of a lowercase character is defined as its position 1 indexed in the alphabet. So the numeric value of A is 1 and the numeric value of B is 2 and the numeric value of C is 3 and so on. The numeric value of a string consisting of lowercase characters is defined as the sum of its characters numeric values. For example, the numeric value of the string ABE will become 1 plus 2 plus 5, which is 8. You are given two integers n and k. Return the lexicographically smallest string with length equal to n and the numeric value equal to k. So note that a string x is lexicographically smaller than a string y if x comes before y in dictionary order, that is either x is prefix of y, or if I is the first position such that x of I not equals to y of I, then x of I comes before y of I in alphabetic order. So what does it mean? We have to generate the string which sums, numeric sums should be equals to k and has the n characters. So for example, n is 3 and k is 27. So let's try to see how. If n is 3 and k is 27, so one of the approach, if you do by brute force, you will start from like first string which will be a and the numeric value of this string will be 3, then you keep increase this a to like b, when you make it b the numeric sum will become 4 and so on, and when we reach on the by this will become 27. So this is the idea. So what we did, we started from the a, then we picked the last character. Why last character? As we need to form the lexicographically smallest. We can also try this like a and move this to b, but if I move this b, this will be not lexicographically smaller if this for the same sum. Let's say we have, let's say rough example, we want k equals to 4, then one of the possible string will be AAB, another is ABA, and the last one is BAA. So all of the 4 has numeric sum is 4, but the lexicographically this string comes first before this, then this string comes. So this is the reason we will start from the end of the string character and move that as far as we can move. So this is the idea. Let's try another example from the given. If n equals to 5 and k equals to 73. So for n equals to 5 and k equals to 73. So first what we will do, we will take the 5a as the k minimum value. Let's see the constraint. As you can see over here, k is always greater than or equal to n at least, so that we will have n is, and it's less than equals to 26 times n, which means in worst case the k can be only 26 times of n. That means we can have all the g's in our string, n times g in our string. So for this example, so now we have n is 70, k is 73. So first 73 we selected this 5a as our n is 5. So what we will do, we subtract first 5 from our k. So this will become 68. Now what we will do, like 68 is too big, as if we, and the maximum we can add in the last character is to make this g by adding 25. So what we will do, we will check whether the k is minimum or the 25 is minimum. Whichever is minimum we will add into the last character, then this character will become g, and subtract the minimum from the k. So first step, we will add in our last character, like the, let's say if I call this as a result, we will create a array of characters so that we can easily add up. So we will create a result, then we will do result. So the last index will be at n minus 1, so minus of n. We will add up the minimum of the 25, so that it may become g from a to g, or the k. Then we will, after this we will subtract our k with the value either the minimum of the 25 or the k itself. So this is the two steps we will keep following until the k is greater than 0. So with that idea we will get the our lexicographically smallest string. So let's try this formula over here. So as 68 is greater than 25, so we will add 25 in the A, this will become G. Now we subtract 68 minus 25, this will become 3 and 4, 43. Again we will do for the next left side character after subtracting n by 1 over here. Then here still k is greater than 25, then we will add 25 in this character and make this as also G, and then again subtract 25 from 43, this will become 8 and 1, 18. So now in this character this will become the minimum, k is minimum 18, and then we will add 18, and after adding 18 this will become the 19th index character, which will be T. I guess so, T or S. Oh, S, T. T will be on the one more extra, so this will be S. So this final string will be AA S G G. So this is our lexicographically smallest string of 5 character whose numeric sum is 73. So this is the 2 step we will follow. I hope now you got the full idea. So pause the video and try to implement the code by yourself in your favorite language, whichever, C++, Python or Java. So let's implement the code. I will implement the code in Java here. So for Java code, let's define the first character array result. So this will be new char of n, size is n. Then first we will fill all the characters as the initial character, which will be a, result comma character a, and then we will subtract n from the k, because we already selected a as, so we will subtract n from the k. Then we will iterate while k is greater than 0 and update result of the minus 1 is before the assigning, because the last character is at index n minus 1, equals to plus equals to math dot min of either 25 or the k. Similarly, this copy paste and subtract from the k, this will become k minus equals minimum of this. So once is done, we will return the string dot value of the result. So this will become the string. So let's try to compile the code and see if it is compiling. It's compiling and we are getting the expected answer. So let's try to submit this code and see it is accepted. So what is the time complexity of this solution? As you can see, by filling this array will take O of n time, and this also can take, go in worst case again O of n time if k is equals to 26 times n. So overall O of 2n, which we can say O of n algorithm, and the space is O of n as we are using the character array. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.